Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to get the best art out of Scratch for your games and how I made this thumbnail. So first, we're gonna do the quick. This thing you can basically select things. Just pretend there's a box here. You can select it and up here you'll see all these things. This will make it back and see that's deleted because it goes back in time. And that makes it go forward in time if you went back in time and you want to change it. This is group, like if you have 3 things and you want to select them all at the same time and just have to select one, you can press group and see they're all the same thing. Now, if you say we got a red and a blue, this is in front of it, but we can press this button to move forward a layer. And see, it's in front of it. We can also press backwards a layer, and it goes back a layer. We can also press this to go to the front layer, and this to go to the back layer. And this we can copy, and then we can paste and see we've got another one. Here, this will delete everything if you don't select anything. But if you select something, it will just delete the thing you selected. And this will make it so, wait, let me make a weird shape. So, you can flip horizontal, which will flip it that way. And you can flip vertical, which will make it flip vertically. So that's the clicking. Now I got this one. We know what those are. But this one, we got these little things. Curved and we got these 2 buttons. If we click on one and we make it curved, you see that this becomes curved. These things you can make it like how big the curve is. Like if I make it really small, you don't even know if there's a curve. And you can delete one by clicking it and press delete. And if you don't want it curved, you can press pointed, and the sign becomes pointed. You can also add them if you click on the line and drag. You can make really cool shapes with this. Like this weird star. Now this one. This is the paint tool like you see in the paint app or stuff. And you can draw it. You can also click on it and nothing really happens. You can just click on it. You can also change the size and color. Also, if you click on stuff, you can also change the color, or you can give it an outline. See, I just gave it an outline. And you can name it this costume. Now let's go to the eraser. This basically erase stuff. So we got a big thing, and with this tool, we're going to erase it. See, and we can change the size. And I don't know what this is. Let me see what it is. Oh, it doesn't do anything. Now, next tool. This is the paint bucket thing. Like if we have lots of these things intersecting each other. If we do this, we can paint them. See? Any color you want. And this is the text one. You can write anything you want. And you can change the font. I like using sans serif. And if you click on it again, you can give it an outline. Like how I used it for the title right here. See, it has a green outline. Here's line, which makes it so you can make a straight line. Okay, now we got a box, but if we press fill, we can fill it up. That's cool. Now, next tool, the circle. With this you can make a circle, and if you don't, but only if you press the shift key. If you don't press the shift key, it makes a weird oval shape, like this. And then we have the square tool, which if you don't press shift, you can make rectangles. But if you press shift, you can make big squares. Okay, now let's move to bitmap mode. This is basically like the pixelated version, and we can edit. Brush, we're gonna brush. If we zoom in, it's pixelated. Now let's delete it. But with this, we can use this. You select an area, and it deletes everything in it. That's cool, isn't it? We also got the rubber. It works the same as the other one. Got the paint, but it's different. You don't just do one. You paint everything that's the same color that's touching, like this. And you can't actually select stuff yet. You just select a bit of it that you want to select. Text is basically the same, but it's just pixelated, and you can't edit it after. And this, you can make choose options. You can choose field, or you can choose outline. You can change the thickness. Now I'll show you how I made the thumbnail, how I used all of them. And you might want to note that there's 4 tabs if you click on this. So I got normal, just one color. We got changing, like it changes from a color to a color. So I got transparent, it changes from red to transparent. And you can also do this, which makes it go down to up. And we got this one, which changes it so it goes like white in the middle and red in the outside. I made this by just doing some lines. And I made this by doing a circle, reshaped it with this tool. And then I copied it, and then I deleted some lines and the vertices, and I turned it into this. And also made the line with the rectangle tool, and I used the circle tool to make this. I'll show you some examples of art that people have used. Let's save it. Oh, it's already saved. Say let's go to this one. Oh. It must be made in bitmap. Yeah, it's made in bitmap. But this is not made in bitmap. This is made in bitmap. Let's choose one that's not bitmap, because I like using vector. Tadpole. Oh, this is used like a draw function. I'll do a draw video soon. Okay? DIY cookie making. There. It just reshape. Or, you put lots of shapes to make it look good, like this. Or you could have just did this. Make the middle this color. made this, that. Then could have did this, this, this. That's the head. We could have just shaped it, but I did that. Guess that's okay. But if you don't shape it with the outline tool, you'll get like these little white spots, which doesn't look good at all. And he made these buttons. He made this button by creating a rectangle, and then he made an outline, and then he filled it. He put a line using the line tool, and he created a black with a black outline, and he made it have an outline of 4 to make this weird thing. You also made the spin by using the line tool and the rectangle. I think that's enough for today, guys. Bye.